Here's how this security label keeps your valuables 100% tamper-proof and private. Step 1. Pull out the label sheet from the box and peel off a single label. Step 2. Press it firmly across your package or envelope seal. This sticky layer bonds like a security guard. Step 3. Personalize it. Grab a pen and write today's date, plus your signature. This creates a unique forensic trail, making it impossible to replicate. Verifying security is a breeze. When the package arrives, look for 2 things. Intact label. If the surface still shows your handwriting without any void open text, congratulations, your items are untouched. Damaged label? Any peeling attempt reveals bold void open warnings and leaves stubborn residue, an instant red flag for tampering.
Keep the pocket safe. Protect your valuables.